This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hi, I'm Mick Soletti here with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. The city of Phoenix, the latest in the valley to drop its mask mandate for fully vaccinated people. The Phoenix City Council holding a vote yesterday. The mayor saying the decision is meant to align with the recently updated guidelines for the CDC. Masks are still required, though, when using public transportation, including at Sky Harbor. Businesses can also still require them. The mask debate reaching the House of Representatives, where lawmakers are still split on what to do. Minority Leader Kevin McCarthy made a proposal to have the Office of the Attending Physician update mask-wearing requirements for vaccinated lawmakers. The proposal was defeated, though, along a party line vote of 218 to 210. Some lawmakers made a point to show their opposition to the mask mandate Tuesday by refusing to wear one during the vote. Those lawmakers now face a potential $500 fine. House Democrats admitted they're also tired of the mask mandate, but worry about those who refuse to get vaccinated spreading the virus. Vaccinated adults can lose the masks, but what about kids? The American Academy of Pediatrics says kids who aren't vaccinated need to keep wearing face masks in public, as they have throughout this pandemic, especially when social distancing is impossible. The AAP says that kids can take off their masks when they're with their family members from the same household. They could also go maskless at small gatherings with fully vaccinated family and friends. More than 2.6 million people here in Arizona are fully vaccinated, but are we done with the shots? Dr. Anthony Fauci says boosters will be needed.
You get a booster, you increase dramatically the level of antibodies that would be protective. So the question is, will we be getting boosters? It's highly likely that within a reasonable period of time, we're going to wind up requiring booster. And the reason that will trigger it is that when the level of protection starts to dwindle down, as happens over time, or when we start seeing more breakthrough infections, you're going to see boosters.
So kind of like a flu shot, COVID-19 cases have been the lowest they've been in nearly a year. Down in all 50 states, hospitalizations are also down, and deaths as well. As companies rebound from the pandemic, many are turning to technology to perform repetitive jobs. A survey by the McKinsey Global Institute found that many companies plan to invest in new technologies. A surge in e-commerce businesses led to more orders for self-driving machines and other automated systems. The first Mental Health Action Day is today. You'll see the message from hundreds of brands, nonprofits, and cultural leaders. They're encouraging all of us to take the first steps in getting support for our mental health.
Checking in with yourself, or committing to trying self-calming exercises like box breathing or meditation. It can also mean taking the time to find a therapist if that's right for you. It can mean checking in with a loved one.
Mental Health Action Day is putting particular emphasis on younger people, their parents, and marginalized in the LGBTQ communities. Organizers say at the heart of this day is helping people see mental health as part of our overall health.
Culture, we've had so much focus on physical health, but it's now time to think about our emotional well-being as a part of that.
You can find mental health resources at mentalhealthishealth.us. The National Suicide Prevention Lifeline is also available 24/7 at the number on your screen. It's 1-800-273-8255. The Navajo Nation, now the largest Native American tribe for landmass and enrolled population. The tribe now tops the Cherokee Nation. There are nearly 400,000 Navajo citizens.
Time now for that most accurate forecast. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We are kicking off the day today with cool, mild temperatures, but by this afternoon, a little bit cooler than it was yesterday. After reaching the hundreds yesterday, today, look for a high in the upper 90s in Phoenix, with temperatures in the 90s in western Arizona, 60s and 70s along the Mogollon Rim. We are kicking off some fire alerts today, though. Fire weather warnings across northern Arizona and along areas along the Colorado River. Those alerts in effect today and for some spots into tomorrow, too. Wind gusts in those areas as high as 40 to 50 miles an hour with low relative humidity. For the valley, some breezes today. Then overnight tonight, we've got a slight chance for showers, about a 10% chance for showers tonight into early tomorrow morning. Our temperature today reaches 98 degrees, but by tomorrow, 10 degrees cooler with highs in the upper 80s. And then this weekend looking gorgeous with sunny skies, highs in the upper 80s to low 90s before we heat up again.
For the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, just go to abc15.com or download our free ABC15 mobile app.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. straight up.